Hello everyone, I'm Shomokush and welcome to our English class, and today we will learn about the finite and the infinite verb. And first we will know about the basic idea of the finite and the infinite verb, and then we will go for the examples and we'll identify it from the different examples. Let's start. So here, basic concept of the finite and infinite verb. So finite verb that can complete a sentence, and if I call about the infinite verb, that just opposite to it. It likes that cannot complete the sentence and depends on the finite verb. So finite verb that is independent, like it completes the sentence, and infinite verb is depending on the finite verb. Let's have some example and prove it. So I identify the finite and infinite verb. So I have taken this blank portion. The movie. So I like the movie if I say. So it's completing the sentence. So basically we can say it is completing the sentence. It is a finite verb. But if I say that I like to watch the movie, or I too watch the movie, if I omit it. So I too watch the movie. Is it completing? No, I think so. This incomplete portion proves that it is the infinite. So if I say that I like to watch the movie, so then it's depending, means to watch portion is depending on the like, and then it is completing. So we have proved it, what is finite and what is infinite. Let's have some example. I'm going to receive my brother. So I'm going, that is finite, and to receive, that is infinite verb, because to receive is depending on I am going. Next example, he wanted to come before me. So wanted, that is finite. To come, that is infinite. Again, prove it, it is the same one. So go for the next example. Yes, he is earning by struggling hard. He is earning, that is finite. No, nothing is that is earning. So auxiliary plus main verb, that is a finite verb. By struggling, and it can be as simple one. Being infected, he is staying home. So is staying, that is our finite verb, and being infected is our infinite. So if you say that he is a boy, he is also a finite verb because it's completing. Okay, next example. You cannot fix the meeting without asking. So let's guess. Yes, you cannot fix, that is our finite verb. And last portion, look at that, without asking. Yes, this portion is the infinite verb, because asking, without asking, it's making that participle, that's why. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. I think you have understood well, and if you have not understood, so practice it well. Only practice can make you perfect. Okay, so bye bye for today, and I will meet you soon. Goodbye.